Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be cleaning the engine bay with this Liqui Moly bottle that I found online. Share the price and details with you on screen. And I'm not a fan of washing the engine bay like you see online with jet hoses and blasting water on the engine bay. So I'm just going to spray this on, give it 10 minutes and just wipe it down. So see how this goes. So the two items we're going to need for today's video is going to be the Liqui Moly engine bay cleaner and a big blue roll so you can wipe everything down, clean it properly. See how filthy this is. Don't know if you can see on camera or not. I haven't cleaned this engine bay since I bought the car, and I bought the car about 2 years ago, so it's done a fair few miles. So it is recommended we leave the engine bay to sit for about 10 minutes before you start cleaning anything off. So I think I've drained it enough now. really smell this. Oh, it's been a few minutes. I'm gonna start wiping down the not so dirty parts first, so the outside, and I'm gonna work my way in. Look at that. That is crazy. Alright, for these little bits, guys, it's probably a good idea to get a little brush out. I didn't think about that earlier. There's little gaps here where I can't get my fingers in between. Look at that. That is years worth of build-up of gunk. So it's drying off now. As I've cleaned it off, I'm drying it off. You see, it's drying. It's looking much better than what it used to look like. So far, I'm quite happy with this. It's looking much better, guys. Yeah, it's worked really well. Very happy with the results so far. I think there is probably some alcohol in this solution because it's drying off really well too, and it's leaving a nice clean look. Definitely separated the oils and bits and pieces. So it looks like clean, guys. So this can that I used, sorry, was about £7 from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description of the video, and thanks for watching.